Hi guys, this is Ranjit, and in this video we'll be having a look at the Xiaomi TV Stick 4K, which was launched about two and a half months ago, and I've been actually using this for the past 1 month. So we'll give you an idea what do I feel about this, and is this a good buy or some other products are better. In fact, this is the product itself. Yeah, you get this stick itself, which you can directly plug it in your television, but you also get an adapter. I'm using it with an adapter, so and you also get one more USB cable to type A, where you will plug it in the power, and this is the box that you get. And if you notice this Xiaomi TV Stick 4K, the big difference is that this one is actually supporting Dolby Atmos. So if you have receivers or sound bars or something that have can take advantage of Dolby Atmos, that's the big speciality of this. Otherwise, it's very similar to the Mi TV box. What I'll do is I'll link some of these products. YouTube has started a new thing where we can link the products, so I'll link that. And why do you use the stuff like this? You use stuff like this, or let's say Amazon Fire TV Stick. If you have a TV which is you bought it, but still it's very good, but again the smart interface has become very slow or outdated, and some of the latest apps like say Apple TV etc are not compatible, you can just plug in this in your TV or a projector or something and use it. I'm actually using it with this BenQ portable projector, and I'll give you my experience. What do I feel about this Xiaomi TV Stick 4K? So guys, I've connected the Xiaomi Mi Stick over here. We also have a LED light over here to denote that it's working, and I've connected the HDMI port over here, and let me just show you the interface now. So guys, this is the home interface that you get, and this is very similar to other Xiaomi TVs also that you have over here. Apart from all the apps that you have over here, you also have the App Store, from where Google Play Store, from where you can install a lot of apps. We also do have this patch wall. We have also seen this in other Xiaomi televisions. So this is an aggregation of what's going on. So if you don't know, if you just switch on the TV or whatever and you don't know what to watch, this is a good collection over here. This just throws you over an app wherever particular stuff is just running. So let me just go back to the main interface. This is the main interface. And as you can see, all the popular apps are supported, like Netflix, and even Apple TV works very well. As you can see, this is Apple TV and works very well on this one. And overall, I would say the interface is decently fast, but it's not the quickest that I have seen. I've seen some interfaces that are slightly faster, but again, if you haven't used those interfaces, this will feel plenty fast. And again, apps also load pretty quickly, as you can see on this one. I'd already run this one, so this was in memory, and as you can see, it runs. And of course, as I've told you, big deal about this one is that if you have connected to your home theater or something, I'll just go back, you do get the Dolby Atmos effect on this. So let me just hit home, and you just come back to this one. And again, all the popular apps like Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, Apple TV, Disney, Hotstar, Jio Cinema, everything. For example, let's see the time Jio Cinema loads. I haven't switched it on earlier, so let's see. So yeah, it is taking about 5-8 seconds, and now yeah, it's so again, as I said, it's not the fastest, but again, it's not like that you will get bugged out. But I haven't seen. I was expecting that the speed would have been slightly faster than the older Mi TV box, but the interface speed is almost the same on this one. And again, it's a typical Android box. So if you go to the settings, and if I go to device preference, you get the standard Android stick interface here. You can adjust the settings like display and sound. Again, as I've told you, if you have Dolby Atmos, this one does support Atmos. And also the good thing is that as it's a certified Android stick, we also have Chromecast built in, so you can cast from your smartphone and stuff. That's actually pretty easy on this one. And let's just go back over here, and again, this is the Play Store. As I've told you, you can get a lot of apps from here. Good thing is that all the apps that you want are supported on this one. Netflix and even Apple TV is supported, and yes, it does play in 4K without any issues. Again, it's a 4K stick. I'm just loading YouTube, and let's just go to one of my own videos so that I don't fall into copyright issues. Okay, yeah, this was in 4K, this video which I see. So let me just show you. And if you notice, it loads quickly. And if I go to settings, and as you can see, 2160, that is actually 4K. Coming to the remote, this is the standard remote that you are getting. This is the sort of a remote that you also get with many of the Xiaomi TV sticks. It's plasticky build. It gets the job done, but I feel the quality could have been slightly better. But again, even with other, Android sticks, like even the Amazon Fire Stick, the remote quality is similar, so I can't complain too much. One small thing that I forgot to mention is that what I liked about this stick is that, as you can see, it's just connected to this, let's say this is a TV or a projector. I didn't have to actually plug in an external power brick to power it. A normal USB port can actually power it without any issues. That was not the case with the Amazon Fire TV Stick. I have even used the Amazon Fire TV Stick with this one, but if I plug it directly over here, it gives a warning that the power is not enough. And I tried this with another television also, and it just worked. You can just connect it to the USB port of a television and it works. So guys, that was the Xiaomi TV Stick 4K. What do I feel about this? Let's talk about the pricing in India. As of now, this is priced at about 5,000 rupees, which I feel is a slight premium, because in terms of performance, as I've told you, the performance is very similar to the older Mi TV box 4K, which is for about 4,000 rupees. So I was expecting that they'll use a slightly faster processor on this one, but that's not the case. That's why sometimes I would say I notice that micro lag here and there. It's not too much, but again, the interface is not super fast like the Fire TV Stick Max. What we have, the Max, yes, it's about 6,500, but in sales comes down to the price of this one. So that way, I would say they did cut corners. But again, as I've told you, the big advantage of this one is that if you really have the Dolby Atmos soundbar or a receiver and you want to take advantage of Dolby Atmos, if you have that speaker set up, then you should go with this one. Else, I would say save your money. You can get the regular Mi TV box 4K, which is at about 4,000 rupees, and that will do almost the same stuff. So guys, that was my review of the Xiaomi TV Stick 4K. What do you guys feel about the same? Do let me know in the comment section below. Anyways guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. This is Ranjit, and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care guys.